Welcome to Walson's Operation Guide. We'll show you how to operate the CFC 030. Let's get started. Hope you enjoy it. First step, press menu to select operation. Enter password 1000 or 5555. Select display configuration. Select home screen 1. Select display lines 1 line or 2 lines. Select line 1 or line 2 to set variable info. Home screen 2 to 5 follow the same procedure. Variable unit modification. Press menu and select operation. Enter password 1000 or 5555. Select measurement variable. Select the measurement variable to be modified. For example, select mass flow. Select the desired unit and confirm. Zero calibration. Ensure full pipe and static. Press menu, select configuration. Enter password 1000 or 5555. Select zero calibration. Select calibration mode. Select auto calibration. Return when finished. Modify current range configuration. Press menu, select configuration. Enter password 1000 or 5555. Select input-output configuration. Select current output. Select matching variable. Modify current range configuration. Select the variable in matching variable. Return to the previous level to modify the upper and lower limits of the matching variable. 8.740. E plus 4 means the decimal point shifts 4 places to the right, which is 87000 kilogram per hour. Set pulse configuration. Press menu, select configuration. Enter password 1000 or 5555. Select input-output configuration. Select frequency output. Select pulse output as output mode. Return one level. Select pulse equivalent to enter. Modify pulse equivalent. One pulse represents X kilogram. 1.20 E plus 00 means one pulse represents 1.2 kilogram. 1.0 E minus 03 means the decimal point shifts 3 places to the left, means 0.001 kilogram. Modify as required. Set frequency output configuration. Press menu, select configuration. Enter password 1000 or 5555. Select input-output configuration. Select frequency output. Select the required matching variable. Select frequency output as output mode. Select upper limit of matching variable. 7.2 E plus 07 means the decimal point shifts 7 places to the right. Demo. 72 followed by 6 zeros. The maximum frequency output can be modified. Demo. Change to 1000 Hz. Adjust filter parameters. Press menu, select service. Enter password 9876. Select sensor parameters. Select configuration parameters. Select output damping time. Increase damping time 2 seconds to 5 seconds is recommended. Decrease low pass cutoff frequency 6 Hz to 9 Hz is recommended. That's how you operate the CFC 030. Thanks for watching. For more information, please feel free to contact Walson Support.